Welcome to Rich Heritage of India. The Kamakhya temple, which is situated high aloft a hill called Neelachal Parbhat or Kamagiri in the city of Guwahati, is one of its several religious landmarks which speaks volumes about the rich historical treasure over which the state of Assam is seated. The Kamakhya temple had been built in reverence to goddess Sati, who was one of the numerous incarnations of goddess Durga or goddess Shakti. There's a legend attached to the history of temple which goes way back to ages. According to legends, Sati married Shiva even though Daksha opposed. Daksha felt insulted as he had to accept a hermit as his son-in-law and decided to avenge his pride. Soon after, he organized a grand yagna and invited all gods except Lord Shiva. When goddess Sati found out about yagna, she was furious at her father. She requested Lord Shiva to participate in it, but he refused. Goddess Sati was determined to confront her father. Lord Shiva, sensing trouble, tried to stop Sati, but she would not listen to any warning. When goddess Sati arrived at her father's court, Daksha welcomed her coldly. He then proceeded to insult her husband in front of the guests. Enraged at her father's behavior, furious goddess Sati declared that she would not tolerate any insult of her husband. Invoking a sacrificial fire, goddess Sati sacrificed herself. Lord Shiva was furious after learning about Sati's death. Unable to control his anger, he brought forth superior beings, Veerabhadra and Bhadrakali, to behead Daksha. Carrying his wife's burnt corpse, he went on rampage with his standoff while all the other gods cowered in fear under Shiva's rage. It was Vishnu who sent his chakra and cut the body in order to calm the aggrieved deity. It is believed that Sati's body parts fell in 108 locations across the country, which are today known as Shakti Peeths. While there is no image of Shakti in the temple complex, it is the yoni or the female genitalia of the goddess located in the corner of the cave bin. The temple is the object of reverence. Curiously enough, every year in the month of Ashad, June, the Brahmaputra river near Kamakhya turns red. It is believed that the goddess menstruates during this period. Every year, the Brahmaputra river turns blood red for 3 days in the month of Ashad. Devotees believe the goddess undergoes her menstrual cycle and the temple is closed for 3 days. On the 4th day, the grand Ambubachi Mela is celebrated with millions of devotees pouring in to witness the festival. Many say the water and soil are rich with iron and hence gives it its blood-like hue. Others say that type of red algae grows in water during this month. The shrine is located on hill which Sinaba deposits a red rock known as Kamya Sindhur. Even though there are many explanations as to why water turns red, no one can explain its duration. It still remains a mystery on why it turns red only for 3 days. The temple is constructed in an indigenous Neelachal style. Neelachal type is a type of architecture in Assam that is characterized by a bulbous polygonal dome over a cruciform Ratna type Bada. This hybrid style developed first in Kamakhya temple on the Neelachal hills under the Kok kingdom and became popular as a style later under the Ahom kingdom. It is built of yoni-shaped stone. The current structural temple, built and renovated many times in the period 8th to 17th century, gave rise to a hybrid indigenous style called the Neelachal type. With all its enigmatic splendor and picturesque locale, the Kamakhya temple is one of the most astounding structures not only in Assam but also in the whole of India.